Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to see you today. How are you doing? Doing all right? All right, well, if you're doing well, then great. If you're not doing well, then you're about to do well because we are about to play an awesome math game called Bingo, Math Bingo. All right, here we go. Here we go, bingo, that rhymes. So in your math packet, you're going to have two papers that say bingo on it. One looks like this. It says plus and minus one bingo. It has some squares on it. And the other one looks like this. It has a big circle with a plus one and a minus one. Okay, this one, just leave out. Okay, this is your spinner. All right, this one should go inside your dry erase sleeve like this because you're going to write on it. Okay, so it should look just like this. Just like this. All right, so please go ahead and do that. And once you have that done, then come on back. All right, so to play this game, you will need a few things. Okay, you're going to need one of your dice again. You're going to need your dry erase marker and eraser. Okay, and you're also going to need for the spinner, if you have a paper clip, okay, small or big, and either a pen or a pencil. Okay, because when you spin it, we're going to go like this. We're going to put it down like this and then spin it. Phew. All right, if you don't have a paper clip, we'll figure something out. Okay? All right, so here's what you need to do first. Well, first, get all those materials. Okay, when you have all this, come on back. Okay, we'll get started. All right, so you should have all these things ready to go. If you don't have a paper clip, we'll figure something else out for you in a minute, okay? So let's go to this paper right here, okay? So this is going to be our bingo game card. Now, if you've never played bingo, it's very fun. Like, especially if you're old, but even if you're young, people love bingo, okay? So the directions say, write a number 0 to 11 in each box on your bingo card. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to write a number, any number between 0 and 11 on the bingo card. Okay, you can repeat numbers if you want. You can do different numbers, whatever you feel like. Okay, to show you how to play, I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to put a 3 here. I'm going to put an 11 here. A 6 here, a 5 here, a 9, a 1, a 2, and a 0, and I'm gonna repeat the 6. Okay? So when you play it, you can write whatever numbers down that you want in your dry erase sleeve, okay? So now think about strategy here as I explain the game. All right, so here's our numbers. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's move this out of the way. I'm going to spin. All right. Actually, why did I, yeah. Okay, we do need the dice. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the dice. Okay, I'm going to roll it. Okay, so I got a 2. Now, I don't know if I'm going to add or subtract 1 until I spin this. Okay, I'm either going to add 1 to the 2 or subtract 1. Okay, so I'm going to put the pencil right in the dot, right on the edge of the paper clip, and then you can go like this. So this time it landed on -1. Okay? Now, if you don't have a paper clip, I don't have a great suggestion, but you could always try holding it down with your pen and spinning the paper. Wait, that doesn't work. That doesn't make any sense. You could, oh, I have an idea. If you have, wait, I have an idea. Hold on a second. All right, so if you don't have a paper clip, you could use a coin like a penny, right? And then you could just toss it up and see where it lands. Now, if it's on the heads, which shows the face of somebody, that's Abraham Lincoln, then just decide heads means +1, right? And then tails which is the other side, that's the Lincoln Memorial, would be -1. Just decide which one's which. You can either go like this. To be even more fun, you can hold it and go like this. Woo! Where will it land? Tail, so it'd be -1, okay? But when we did it with the paperclip, it landed on -1, right? Isn't that what we got? All right, let's do it again just to make sure, okay? So I rolled a 2, right? And then I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to go like this. Okay, so I got a +1. +1. +1 gives me, so what's 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 more gives me 3. Whoa, that was like magic, right? Gives me 3. Okay, so now let's go back to our bingo board. Do we have a 3? Yes, we do. So, I forgot to tell you one thing you need, which is you either need your cubes, okay, or your counters. Your counters look like this. I'm going to use the counters. So I'm going to cover up the 3 like this, okay? Now, the way I win is if I get 3 in a row, either like 359 or 650. I can go across or I can go up and down. All right, so let's see what I get next. So let's put this away for a minute. I don't have as much room as you probably would have. So let's roll. Okay, so I got a 4. Now, am I going to add or subtract 1? Let's find out. I'm going to put my paper clip down. I'm going to spin it. Oh, it's a +1 again. Okay, so 4 plus 1. What's 1 more than 4? It's 5. It's 5. Okay, so let's look back here. Do I have a 5? I do. So I'm going to put a counter on the 5. Okay. Now, if I get a 9, I win. Yes. All right, let's see how I do. Okay, let's get the game board out of the way for a minute. Let's do this again. I'm gonna roll. Oh, it's only a 1. All right, let's see what this gets me. I'm gonna put this here and spin. Oh, it's a -1. Okay, so what's 1 minus 1? Watch, if I have 1 and I take it away, I have 0. Nothing. Zilch. Nada. All right, so 1 take away 1 is 0. Do I have a 0? I do. Hey, I'm not bad at this game. I gotta tell you, maybe it's beginner's luck. All right, so I'm gonna put that there. So if I get a 2, I get 3 in a row here. If I get a 6, I get 3 in a row here, right? If I get a 9, I get 3 in a row here. So I've got some options here. All right, I'm going to do it one more time, and then I think you get the idea of how to play this, right? All right, so for those of you who don't have a paper clip, I'll do the coin, okay? All right, heads is +1. Tails is -1. Where you going, buddy? Okay, it's a tip. I did it too soon. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to roll the dice. Mr. McAndrew, pay attention. All right, let's roll the dice. Roll the dice. Ooh, boys and girls, I got a 9. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to do the coin again. All right, it's heads. So we're adding 1. So if we have 9, and I add 1 more, whoop, I end up with 10. 10. All right, so let's go find 10. Do I have 10 on my bingo board? Oh, no, boys and girls, I do not have 10. So I can't put one of the counters down. I have to do it. I have to spin again. I have to roll and spin again. Okay, so you need to keep playing the game until you get 3 in a row. So for example, if I got a 2 next time, then I could cover up the 2. And then I win because I got 3 in a row. Okay? When you finish it, you pick up the counters. All right? You erase your board. And then guess what? You can play again with different numbers. Just make sure they're numbers 0 to 11. So maybe this time you put a 2 here, a 1 here, a 6, a 10, let's see, a 4, a 3, let's see, another 4, an 8, and a 7. And then you play again, all right, and try and get 3 in a row. All right, boys and girls. Have fun. Great job. And yeah, play a few times, and I'll see you tomorrow. We'll play another bingo game. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.